Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I'm making some Nutcracker soldiers, and I'm using a die set from Nicole Silhouettes. And I have the girl also, but today I'm only going to be focusing on the little Nutcracker guy. I figured let me sneak in some holiday crafting, because right now I am totally wrapped up with our Hello Sanrio, our Sanrio swap going on right now. So yeah, I'm just going to be cutting this up, and I'll probably put you guys on time lapse because I have several pieces to cut into. And I think if I could get this all done, I want to use them to make cards or even a garland. Just depends on how much I can get done. So for the rest of this, I'm going to be putting you guys on time lapse. I'll probably try to do a voiceover or something. I don't know yet, but yeah, just bear with me as I cut through all these pieces. Whoops. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. I know Thanksgiving is around the corner. So if I don't see you in the next video, happy Thanksgiving to all of you. And I'm gonna get this all cut up. So I'll put you on time lapse and see you at the end. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. I didn't even finish all the little details, so I can add like the green glitter, go back and cut them out. This is the little details that go, these little circles, they go right on top of those real round ends right here and here, and also on the jacket. I also forgot to put this layering piece on here, which will give you an illusion of a sleeve, but I forgot to put that on before I put my details. So, but it still looks good. I mean, I don't know, it still looks good to me. I'll probably next time cut these teeny tiny white details, the fringe and the cuff, probably out of the same color as the pants, whatever I make the pants. But yeah, I still love all the details here. The boot itself has an embossed cross stitch for like the laces, but because I cut it out of glitter cardstock, you don't really see it. I do love all the layering pieces for the boot. You could see it here. There's a cuff detail that you can add on, that's on here. You see it right there. And then there's this toe part where you see the little half circle. And there's also the sole. So a lot of detail in that little boot. It's just a little hard to see because it's glitter, but I feel like if you do get this, use this die, you just pull up Nicole's Instagram, and she has a photo of all the little layering pieces. I will say this though, don't forget to get the eyes and the eyebrows cut out and the little nose. And that is easy to forget because it looks like this. So these are the eyes right here. This is the nose piece right there. And then this right here is the eyebrows. Those are the eyebrows. So I thought it was a mustache, but this is the mustache. There's a little tiny nose. I'll probably go in and use like some of my distressed ink and put some cheeks under there. Just a little bit color. It's kind of hard to see, but it's hard to see on brown. But yeah, you can go in and add a little bit of color and highlight the cheeks a little bit, but you can barely see it. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's free to join our crafty family. And if while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please hit thumbs up. That helps YouTube know that you're enjoying my content, and I will see you all on the next one. Thank you, Nicole. This is beautiful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.